Why we use soap and detergent to clean substances?
To remove dirt from substances.
Exactly.
Why are you asking such question?
Any guesses?
I know. We will be discussing about soaps and detergents, isn't it?
Yup. This lesson is about the composition of soaps and detergents and their cleansing action. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define a soap, describe how soaps remove dirt, define detergents, describe the cleansing action of detergents. Soaps are water-soluble sodium or potassium salts of long-chain carboxylic acids. Soaps are made from fats and oils or their fatty acids by treating them chemically with a strong alkali. The fats and oils used in soap making come from animal or plant sources. Fatty acids are the components of fats and oils that are used in making soap. They are weak acid composed of two parts. The carboxylic acid group consisting of one hydrogen atom, two oxygen atoms and one carbon atom, plus a hydrocarbon chain attached to the carboxylic acid group. Generally, it is made up of a long straight chain of carbon atoms, each carrying two hydrogen atoms.
What gives soap its soapiness?
The soapiness in soap comes from the sodium salts of fatty acids like stearic acid, oleic acid and palmitic acid. Sodium oleate C17H33 COO negative Na positive,
Sodium palmitate
C15H31 COO negative Na positive. A soap molecule has a long chain organic part and the functional group COO negative Na positive. Let's see the effect of soap in cleansing. Most dirt is oily in nature, and as you know, oil does not dissolve in water. The molecules of soap are sodium or potassium salts of long-chain carboxylic acid. The ionic end of soap dissolves in water while the carbon chains dissolves in oil. The soap molecules thus form structures called micelles, where one end of the molecule is towards the oil droplet while the ionic end faces outside. This forms an emulsion in water. The soap micelle thus helps in dissolving the dirt in water and we can wash our clothes clean.
While bathing, foam is formed with difficulty and an insoluble substance, scum, remains after washing with water. Why does this happen?
This is caused by the reaction of soap with the calcium and magnesium salts, which cause the hardness of water. Hence, you need to use a larger amount of soap. This problem is overcome by using another class of compounds called detergents as cleansing agents.
What are detergents?
Detergents are generally ammonium or sulfonate salts of long-chain carboxylic acids. The charged ends of these compounds do not form insoluble precipitates with the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water. Thus, they remain effective in hard water. Detergents are usually used to make shampoos and products for cleansing clothes. This lesson was about the composition of soaps and detergents and their cleansing action. By the end of this lesson, we were able to define a soap, describe how soaps remove dirt, define detergents, describe the cleansing action of detergents. So, that's all about carbon and its compound. Hope I was able to clear your doubts and was able to make you understand about carbon and its compounds.
Sure, Auntie. All my doubts are cleared, and moreover, I also gained some knowledge about which I was totally ignorant.